when employees can see that you're taking care of them, there's a lighter feeling overall in the company. My name is Jerome Horowitz. I'm the president at Brotech Precision CNC. What we do here is manufacture metal components for high precision industries, nuclear, aerospace, defense, and some medical. We've been using Aeroex for at least 10 years. The Aeroex people are fantastic. We actually happen to be very close in proximity to them. So when we called them up and said, we'd like to get you to come in and assess our needs, they came over, had a look at the shop, and they gave us a couple of different options and offered to do the installation for us. The biggest benefit is clearly having high quality air, no complaints whatsoever from employees, because when employees can see that you're taking care of them, there's a lighter feeling overall in the company. Overall, I know that if I get a new machine, when we get new machines, we absolutely want to make sure that Aeroex is called right away. And our experience is fantastic. We have good product coming from them, and we have good service coming.